Bercy Enterprises proudly presents Sam Milby, Gerald Anderson, Sian Lim, Enchong Lee, Raver Cruz, and Jason Abalos with Pokwan in the teleserye Bida Tour, live in Seattle on November 2 at the Highline Performing Arts Center. For tickets, call 206-366-5600 or visit www.bercyenterprises.com for online ticket sales.
Hey mga kapamilya, ako po si Enchong and again, iniimbitahan po namin kayo na sana samahan nyo kami sa The Teleserye Bida Tour 2012 in Seattle on November 2 naman. Sana po samahan ninyo ako mag-celebrate ng birthday ko kasi doon ako mag-celebrate sa show natin. Yun lang po, if you want to buy tickets online, just visit www.bercyenterprises.com. That's B-E-R-C-E and Enterprises. See you there mga kapamilya. Salamat po.